Okay, so we got the lock bar installed. Lock bar is around here somewhere. The brackets, and then the best part. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, dang. Now, with the locking mechanisms. So, now that those are finally in, I can tell what the actual angle of the playfield is, what the actual positions are. And it looks pretty good so far. I haven't installed the little prop arm yet, but that'll be coming. Right now I'm working on the diverter and the ball trough, the magnets, and then the servo is next. That's least of my worries right now though.